Hello Thomas and Friends fans, I'm Mika. It's never too old to like Thomas. Today I'm going to tell you a story called Edward the Very Useful Engine. All the engines on the island of Sodor were good at different things. Gordon was a very good express. Percy was good at carrying the mail. And Edward was good at being the back engine. When engines have heavy loads, Edward will couple up behind them and push them. But Edward was old. Some engines thought that made him unreliable. Edward is a useless old steam pot. Gordon sniffed. He should be retired. But he doesn't have tires, Percy said. Retired means being taken out of service, explained Thomas. And Edward should be retired right now, said Gordon. The other big engines agreed with him. When the Fat Controller heard what Gordon had said, he was cross. He went to find Edward. Edward, I want you to teach Stepney how to run a new branch line properly, he said. But sir, who will look after the trucks? Asked Edward. Duck will do your work, the Fat Controllers replied. When the other engines heard that Duck was going to replace Edward, they were pleased. Duck is very reliable, Henry said. It makes no difference to me, said Gordon. Importantly, I don't need a back engine. And he wished away. Next morning, Duck was busy doing Edward's work, but he was not happy. The trucks were playing silly games. Duck should play with other ducks because he's no good at pulling trucks. Quack, 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 quack. Hold back, hold back, hold back. They giggled. As he chuffed along the line, Duck pulled as hard as he could, but the trucks held him back. He was going slower and slower and slower. Halfway up Gordon's hill, his wheels stopped turning. Duck was stuck. Oh no, said his driver. This is Gordon's line. He'll be coming along any minute now. Duck's driver phoned the signalman to warn him, but it was too late. I have to put all signals to red, said the signalman. Gordon saw the red signals. He slowed down just behind Duck. You silly engine, said Gordon. Now I have to push you up the hill. Gordon tried to set off again, but his wheels spun and spun. Gordon was stuck too. It's no use. We need a back engine, said the driver. Gordon was cross. He still thought he didn't need a back engine. Gordon was even more cross when he saw who was coming to help them. Edward and Stepney had finished their work, so the Fat Controller had sent Edward to be the back engine. Hello Gordon, hello Duck, said Edward happily. Need some help? Hello Edward, said Duck. Yes please. But Gordon did not say anything. Edward buffered up and the strange train set off. At last it chuffed dead gently into the station. Look at that, laughed a little boy, pointing to Edward. The back engine must be very strong. He must be a really useful engine, said another passenger. Gordon was very embarrassed that he needed Edward's help. Later that day, the Fat Controller spoke crossly to Gordon. "You have said some very rude things about Edward," said the Fat Controller. "He has proven today that he is helpful and reliable." Gordon felt ashamed. He rolled up to Edward. "Thank you for helping me," said Gordon. "You are a really useful engine." "It was nothing," said Edward happily. Soon everything was back to normal. Edward was glad back at his old job, and that all the engines were glad of his help, even Gordon. And there was no more talk of Edward retiring. After all, he was the best back engine on island of Sodor. The end. I hope you like it.